Here are 30 sounds a Corgi makes when he wants my attention. Inspired by Oliver the Beagle. That was so cute. Would you like for me to throw it? Okay, here. Ready? Set. Are you ready? Are you ready for me to throw it? Okay, here goes. Ready? Set. Go! You don't like to be touched with feet, huh? You like to lick feet, but you don't like to get touched by it. Come here. What's going on? It's time for us to start the vlog. This is his favorite spot. Look at that papaya. Looks like caviar. Non-dairy coconut whipped cream here. There you go. Is it good? Hey, it's all done. You finished. He's like, can I have some of yours? You can have the last bite, okay? Is that a good way to start the morning, Gatsby, with a strawberry papaya? It's gonna be a new month already, September! Gatsby in the forest with all the butterflies. I got your waffle iron back. Thank you for letting me use it. Sure. Look who it is! Hey. It's Sean. I've done some campus tours of places like Instagram, Facebook, and Google, so we got invited to go to EA Games, which should be really exciting. That's in Redwood City in the Bay Area. Should be fun. Yes. I'm excited. It's where all the games are made. This is Andrew over here. He works at EA. He invited us, so we're gonna be shown around by him.
It kind of talks a little bit about what game development was like back then versus now.
Do you guys play this game? That's probably my most excited game that I play right now. It's really fun. I'm really addicted to it. Do you guys still use the secret that challenge everything? I don't hear it anymore.
EA Sports, like to the game. Yeah. I don't remember.
What is the current one now?
Just EA.
These games all went platinum back in the day.
Yeah, here we go. So Harry Potter. Harry Potter for PS2.
Oh, I had this one. Well,
yes.
I had it for GameCube. Was it GameCube? I don't know.
It's the 2003, right? That would have been PS2, GameCube, Xbox. Right?
Yes.
We're building a football field, it looks like.
Oh, they have like a full-on like sports everything because they need to like, you know, when they're making the games, they need to have reference footage. And we're going into one of the many buildings they have at EA. Wow. Obviously, sort of a That's not Darth Vader, apparently. He doesn't have the same plate thing there. It's like 7 feet tall. Is Is this where the store is, the EA store? They have an EA store. They have really good deals here. You guys play this game? These are nice shirts. EA shirts. Look, you can get all the games that are on sale, Sean. Are you gonna get something? They're really on sale here. He's gonna get that. Wow, we got all this stuff. Wow. Thank you. We got all this swag, Sean.
Looks like a lot of good stuff.
We're going to get some Shake Shack burger because I've been craving it. I'm so excited. We have to order from the screen. There it is. We got the exact same thing. We got the Shake Shack burger, the fries, and a blueberry pie custard. That was so good. Oh, El Shake Shacko es muy delicioso.
So good.
Smile! You're on Corgi camera. Croissant, egg, cookie, baguette, sandwich, burger, taco, pizza, donuts.
So today I'm super excited because I'm getting a new bed. It's coming. I currently have the original purple mattress, but they came up with a new one. I thought I would get it just because sleep is so important.
We're getting rid of this mattress. We're getting a new mattress and a new base.
Upgrade! My mattress is here. Let's send this for my friend. Okay.
Ta-da! So beautiful.
This is my old purple mattress over here, which is the original one. I got the purple 4, which has 4 inches of that purple polymer. And what that means is that it's even more squishy than ever before. Harder, firmer mattresses are better for people who sleep on their back or on their stomach. Side sleepers like me do a lot better with a softer mattress because it helps sink in. So the bed adjusts, I can climb on top. Oh, it kind of feels like a water bed. Everything sinks in.
And we have our BedJet over here. This is going to be like the ultimate sleep experience. I mentioned it before, but for those of you who don't remember, it is kind of like a fan air conditioned thing for your bed.
By the way, I'm not getting sponsored by any of these people. I'm just saying what I do for my bed. I'm always super hot and sweaty. Put this right underneath your sheets and then put your blankets on top. And then what it does is it blows air. You can control the airflow and the temperature. In the winter times, you can make it warmer and it's kind of like your personal heater. In the summer times, like right now, you can make it cooler and then you don't even have to run your air condition because it's just like directly blowing air under your sheets. So this is like the secret thing, the BedJet. So I have my purple mattress. I upgraded all my purple stuff. Gatsby has his purple bed as well. Something that you spend like more than half of your life on. Gotta make sure that it's good. So we got the purple here. It is time for me to head off to the gym. I'm gonna hit some upper body. We will see you guys there. Boop. Had a good back workout. My gosh, okay. We're pretty busy today, so let's get back home.
Hello, I'm home.
So I thought I would give you guys a sneak peek at one of the new merchandises that I have been working on coming out later this month. I'm pretty proud of it, so check it out. It's a new t-shirt design! It says Gatsby, and not only in black, but maroon, teal, olive, and storm color. 5 different colors. Those look super good. As I just mentioned, they should be coming out sometime later this month. And of course, it's going to be a limited run like everything else, so get ready. Corgi? He's like, that was awkward.
I'm a big fan of Corgis. Do you think it's a good idea to subscribe? Yes? I'm gonna head over Gatsby to the supermarket. We have to go and grab our dinner. Goodbye. Okay, we're at the supermarket. Let's go and get our ingredients. We have to get some anchovy paste. Get that. Cod fillets. We want this. Get one of these. Lemons. Let's get some green beans. They have Hello Kitty wine here. That was fast. Let's head back home.
I'm happy you're back.
Hey, Gatsby.
The dog is too.
Are you looking at the new bed? We're just going to defrost it by running some water over it. Here we got the rice going. Before we get started, I think we need to take Gatsby out for a walk. The fish has defrosted. Let's continue on with the cooking. My old apartment didn't have a proper broiler, but this place does. So we are going to be broiling the fish. It'll be done really fast. And of course, you guys know I like to make food really simple. Set the oven to broil. Start. Gatsby's watching me. He's like, "Are you making something for me?" I'll also put a link to the recipe in the description below, but it should be very, very fast. We're gonna mince 1 tablespoon of shallots. This is like 1 tablespoon. We also have some fresh thyme over here. Thyme, half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of grated lemon zest, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. It looks like toothpaste. We're gonna drizzle it with olive oil and we just stick it over the top of the fish. And what this will do is it'll seep in and cook into the fish and keep the fish nice and moist. Hey Google, set a timer for 3 minutes. We have to be very careful because fish burns very quickly in the broiler. I think it should be done. It's on an aluminum foil, so it's gonna be easy to clean up. We got some rice. Ooh, look at that fish. It looks beautiful. Green beans. Super simple, super healthy dinner. Mmm. You can taste like thyme and lemon. It's really good. I don't really like mayonnaise, but it doesn't really taste like mayonnaise at all. Very, very simple and not like super strong sauces. I like it so that you can really like just taste the fish. It's really good. And it was so simple. Okay, so we need to put the new sheets on. I've been letting it air out. Oh, okay. Have a nice view of my TV from my bed. It's super soft, but very supportive. Feels kind of like a water bed, but without like all that extra movement and ripples afterwards. Tonight I'm gonna have a really good night's sleep. The bed has raised, and then you can also do massage or just turn the bed flat again. My friend's picking up the original purple mattress and my other friend is taking the box spring. Okay, that's gonna do it for us for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it and we will see you guys in the next video. Good night! Mwah! Hey Gatsby, check out this awesome fan! Hey Gatsby, do you know what day today is? Today is National Waffle Day, Gatsby! Woo! We gotta celebrate, Gatsby!